in today's class, we'll be talking about how to install um, Linux Mint and boot it up without actually installing it in your system, but how to install it in a flash drive. So you can see the flash. All you need to do is to download the necessary software. The first program you need to download is the OS, which is the Linux OS. So already I done that, and it took me about 3 gig for me to get the program. Here you can see the ISO. It's called ISO, which is the boot file. So first download the boot file. I gave the URL or the description down below, and the link where to download. So you download the ISO and you go over to the other link to download the reverse. You can call it reverse. Yeah, you download the reverse. Here you can see I have the necessary softwares. The reverse should be my, yeah, that's the program you need to download. Okay, so while you are done downloading, you open up your reverse and you plug in the flash. You have about 8 gig. Mine now it shows up here. Next you need to do is to go select the ISO, which is the Linux Mint you wanna install in the flash, and open it up for it to load up. Now you got to choose the partition share. I don't believe in that MBR, so you choose the GPT for you to make a proper Linux bootable flash. So select the name. You can change the name or modify. So we select the file system, which is NTFS. So it could be fast enough. I select write it in DD mode. That's the DDoS mode. And click on the OK button and click OK. And here you can see the writing has started. First, it will first wipe everything in the flash and then write it up. This will actually take you a little bit time. For me, it took me about, let's just say, it took me about 4 minutes to finish it up. So let's just wait until it's done loading up. We are almost there. About to finish writing up. Guys, I'm sorry for the noise that is coming out from the background. I'm in a hall and in a noisy place. I call it in a noisy environment. So please do bear with me if that you are hearing any noise from the background, please. So wait for it to finish writing up. So next you can say, oh, it's down. So all we need to do is to go check on the flash to see. Yeah, you can see it has kilobyte or reading in kilobyte to tell you that the Linux Mint is being installed successfully. So now next thing we need to do is to go boot up our system and turn it off at the first time, just to make everything feel alright. So now you swipe down to your Windows and go to the settings. Here you can see. Now you move over to, let's go find the system updates, and yeah, you can see. So you go to your update and security, tap on it, move over to recovery and click on the restart button. So you have to wait. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Now go to turn off my PC and Wait for it to load up again. Okay, we are in our BIOS. uh Screw down to the boot from USB flash and wait for it to calm down. Okay, you can see. Okay, let's wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. So still counting up. And here you can see your turn up. Yeah, you know what? Linux Mint right away without no waste of time. You can see we never have to install it, even though you can just carry out every activities like play your music and do rest of the things all together. Yeah, let's just play our music. So check it out. Whoa. Okay, guys, that's it. And thanks for watching. Next time, please do subscribe, like, and share for more videos.